guys, and welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. It is amazing. You know what, Ben? I want to say Merry Christmas and, a Happy New Year, yeah. But not only just because, it's Christmas and everyone love to have a nice time and eat a lot of food, but also remember, you have to give thanks, all right? Don't forget to do that, guys, please. Yeah, I'm just taking the time right now and I'm gonna marinate up some lamb, and hopefully you guys will definitely like the recipe. It's gonna be simple and delicious. All you're gonna have to do is just bake it for probably 1 hour and about 30 minutes in your oven. File it and all these things. Alright? So yeah, really nice, lovely, lamb. So enjoy it, stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming. Alright? Me love you all. Stay tuned. Nice one, guys. So basically right here I got a leg of lamb which I'm going to marinate it and show you. I wash it off into some lemon juice, and what I'm going to do is simple, put some hole inside of the lamb like this. Alright, and this is very important. And also you can simple nice one. So we got the lamb seasoning on it. Alright, so still just want to put on a little bit of season to make it have a little bit of flavor. We're gonna put on a little bit of paprika. Alright. And we want some color. Alright. This is just like a little bit of all-purpose season. Alright. Still need to get a little bit of color, Got the lamb season. A lot of people doesn't put thyme on the lamb still, but me personally, I like to put a little bit of, that on it, make it have a little bit of flavor. Gonna get some white onion. Some spring onion. Yeah, man. You don't have to, but we're gonna put a little bit of food browning on it, You don't have to, but it's just to give it a little bit of a color, guys. Honestly, because I don't like it when it's white, Put a little bit more of the season on it, Gonna put a little bit of scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, man. So what we're gonna do here now, we're just gonna rub up the lamb. To be honest, you know what I mean, it's just like you just have to just marinate up in like that way, yeah, sometime. Put on a little bit of browning, kill off some of it, you know. Alright, nice lovely leg of lamb. Alright. Alright. Stuck out some of them. So when I roast the lamb, it will have a lovely color. That is just amazing. Put out some seasoning inside of it. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, man. See that? Look at that. Beautiful roast leg of lamb. You know what I mean? Look at that. Amazing. And that's what you want on a Christmas day. So you want to marinate this and put on this in about 2 hours, and then you just cook it. Alright, now the thing is, I'm going to show you what next you need to do. Alright, beautiful one. Yeah man, I hate that. So once you marinate your lamb like this, yeah, you just put it down for 2 hours. For 2 hours, and you're good to go. Yeah. That's from Chef Ricardo. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Christmas roast lamb. Nice one. After 2 hours, yeah, I place my lamb into a oven baking tray like this. And now what I'm gonna do is put roughly about half cups of water around the tray. Alright. Then also you can put a little bit more of lamb seasoning into the water. What I do next is get a piece of foil. Like this. One, and then cook it for about 1 hour and 20 minutes. And if you're using gas mark, you're using gas mark 6 or 7. All right, electric oven 175 Fahrenheit 355. 1 hour and about 20 minutes. Stay tuned.